Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can disable filtering in Telegram app. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching this video. So let's get down to our topic. And I'll tell you right away that in the case of filtering in Telegram, you will not be able to through the Telegram app, unfortunately. You will need to use a web browser. In my case, it will be Safari. And then you'll need to type in this kind of setweb.telegram.org and go to it. After that, you will be asked to enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, you'll get a message on Telegram with a code that you'll need to enter after you enter your phone number to confirm that it's really you. So after you go to Telegram, already from the web browser, you will need to click on these three bars in the upper left corner. Next, go to Settings. Scroll down here and select Privacy and Security. And also scroll down as well. Here you'll be able to find a feature like Turn Off Filtering. And you'll just need to activate it. That's it. After these simple steps, you will be able to disable filtering in the Telegram application. Friends, I hope this video was useful for you. Put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.